Welcome back. March is National Nutrition Month. So we have Chef Lady Ren in the kitchen with us this morning. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me. Good morning.
Good morning. You're always keeping us nice and healthy in the kitchen. So I think you're going to teach us about a cauliflower situation. What? Why are we laughing?
Situation. You're speaking my language.
A cauliflower situation.
Cauliflower situation.
Okay, tell us about this cauliflower situation.
Hey, food is fun, right?
Yes.
So that's why. Again, National Nutrition Month, and I think it's a perfect time for us to incorporate more vegetables in our diet. So take every opportunity as a reminder and do that. So here's a good way to incorporate your vegetable using cauliflower. You don't just have to eat it raw or roast it, but here's a good thing. Have you ever heard of the famous Bang Bang sauce?
Ooh, yeah. Yes.
Okay, so
Bang Bang shrimp?
Yeah, exactly. So you can have the Bang Bang shrimp. So instead of Bang Bang shrimp, Bang Bang cauliflower. And here we have the cauliflower. Oven at 425, and this is how simple it is to prepare. You would take your cauliflower after you take it apart, and at least you can, you're pretty good with the knife, so you can just...
Yes, Lady Ren, I'm great with the knife.
Yeah, you would after you have your bite size, or you put it in a bowl, like I've had some here, and then, of course, you will wash your cauliflower.
Yes.
And here is your dressing. I have lime juice, olive oil, sweet chili sauce, sriracha sauce, garlic.
Sriracha, so is it spicy?
Well, you can control the spices.
Okay,
I know
kick.
you do not like, so I didn't put a lot.
I remember. Thank you, I appreciate that.
So that's good, and then you would shake this.
Okay.
And you would toss it into your mix it up.
Okay.
Then you would add some panko breadcrumbs, because this is light. That gives it the crispiness. And then after you put that all together, you would dump it in your sheet pan. Put it into the oven.
Okay.
And then about
How long?
25 minutes later, this is what it would look like.
Voila.
Nice, roasted, crispy edges. This is the sauce. Do you want to put the sauce together?
Yes, I do.
Sauce is...
Should I mix it up?
Yes. We have mayonnaise, non-fat Greek yogurt. Again, here we have the sweet chili sauce and some sriracha sauce.
Okay.
And of course, you know I must put
Lady Ren's
blend.
Lady
Exactly.
Ren's blend.
I have to say, I've been making chicken with your Lady Ren's blend.
Wonderful, and because it's not loaded with salt, if you like salt, that's when you would add salt, and I like pink Himalayan salt. And now, since you have that carrot, so that's your Bang Bang.
Okay.
Drizzle it over your hot, yep, you can do that anyhow. And then you can serve some on the side, and you would garnish with some fresh chopped green onions and parsley.
Nice.
Okay.
And what was in this?
That's
this one again?
fresh lime juice.
Okay.
And olive oil, sriracha sauce, some sweet chili sauce, garlic, minced garlic. Yes.
So the idea is that this would taste kind of like a Bang Bang shrimp
so
type of
instead
meal.
of it being Bang Bang, now do you know how they came around with the name?
I know.
I had asked someone who works, one of the chefs, and he said because when the shrimp comes out, it's hot, and then when you pour the sauce, they would bang it, so that's will go like bang, bang, bang.
Wait, what are they banging?
Well, the shrimp, or let's say that, to get the sauce into it, so they'll use a wooden pestle, and they will just go around like that. And that's it. See how simple it is?
Wow.
And cauliflower is loaded with vitamins, very healthy for you.
Should we give it a try?
You should give it a try. Pardon me. I'll get some here for Alicia.
Alicia, are you a Bang Bang kind of gal?
I love a little Bang Bang shrimp or
And then you would serve
cauliflower.
this on the side as well when you bring it to the table.
Give it a try here. Cut it up a little bit. Let's see. This is exciting.
All right, let's see.
I like it.
So you should have some crunch. You should have some crunch. You should have balanced flavor. And
The breadcrumbs adds a nice touch.
Yes, that will give you the crispiness on it. So,
Very good.
And again, it's really simple as I've shown you how to put this together.
A healthy
So tell us,
alternative.
I know you have a new book coming out.
Oh, yes.
What can you
It's
tell us?
coming out late spring.
Okay.
Not a cookbook.
Oh.
So this one is my journey becoming an entrepreneur, a woman business owner.
Wonderful.
So it's pretty much telling you, anybody who would like to become an entrepreneur, a woman especially, don't know where to start, don't know what to do. That's what it's about. It's something I wish I had 10 years ago.
Wonderful.
So with practical, no fluff,
Okay.
getting it done.
And without telling the book, what would you say would be your top 3 tips for women that want to become entrepreneurs?
I would say you must be confident and you have to be resilient and innovative, because you have to believe in yourself, have the confidence, and you have to be resilient, because it's not going to be easy.
Right. It's not all going to be perfect.
And you can be sensitive. You just have to focus on what you want, and you must be innovative, because if you don't keep up, everything keeps changing. So you have to keep being creative and keep going with that. Believe in yourself.
But that, you know, easier said than done. I think that's a daunting thing for people to think about is like, oh gosh, maybe someone who wants to do what you do. Like, I love cooking, but how do I keep up with the trends? Like, what would your advice be for how to stay innovative?
Is to, first of all, you pay attention to what's trending, but it comes with what you truly believe in.
And what your style
what your
is.
style is. We all have our passion, we all have our talents. You have to recognize them and use them, because you'll hear so many voices telling you. In my case, I was told, you're doing too many things. You should just pick one thing. Well, why should I when I have these ideas and
Why
talents?
should you when you're giving us the Bang Bang Cauliflower?
Exactly.
Yes.
So
Why pick a lane?
Why pick a lane? Exactly. So use your talents, think about what you want, and just go for it. Because
Wonderful.
that's how
And
you
what's
live
the
life.
title of the book?
A Fresh Perspective.
Fresh. Ooh, I like
And
that.
when can people get that?
Well, Spark Publishing, my publisher, it's coming out late spring. So we're getting there.
Okay, wonderful.
It's completed. We're just putting it all together.
And obviously you have done cookbooks, but this is different. This is really taking what you've learned to help other women, it sounds like.
Yes, that's become my passion, because I've walked it, I've experienced it, but I've also spoken to women who have been and still are in that arena. And we know what it's like to walk into a room, you feel like you don't belong, you don't know where to start, you have to aim for perfection. So first of all, remove perfection. So again, I come on TV, I talk with you guys, we're real, we prepare our food, we have whatever we're doing. And so just be yourself. And when you walk into the room, hold on to your confidence.
I love that. And
Wise
so
words from
important.
Lady Wren. Love it.
Always wise. And so important to take what you've learned to help others, because what are we if we're not helping the women around us, right?
Absolutely. There's room for everyone. And when you do it, we're making the world a better place. Think about it.
Absolutely. Well, Lady Wren, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Carolyn, and thank you, Alicia. And to you ladies, happy Women's History Month as well.
Thank you. High fives.
That's right.
We'll be right back.
Thank you.